In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload files to a project in Basecamp seamlessly. Let's dive right into the process to make sure that you're comfortable with getting your project files organized in no time. First things first, you'll want to start by opening Basecamp and navigating to the specific project where you need to upload your files. This usually involves selecting the project from your list, ensuring that you're in the right space to avoid any confusion later on. Once you're inside the project, direct your attention to the Docs and Files tool or tab. This is where all the magic happens when it comes to storing and managing your documents. At the top left of the Docs and Files area, you should notice a green button labeled either plus new or something similar. It could also appear as just new or plus new. The placement is designed to be intuitive, so look for it at the top part of the interface. Clicking this button is your gateway to adding new files, so go ahead and give it a click. After clicking the green button, a menu will typically pop up with several options for adding new content. For our purposes today, you will want to choose the option that says Upload Files from your computer. Depending on your version or settings of Basecamp, this option might be phrased slightly differently, but the essence remains the same. Selecting an option that allows you to move files from your local storage right into Basecamp. If you're someone who likes to streamline processes, you might appreciate the drag and drop functionality Basecamp also offers. Simply open your computer's File Explorer, locate the files you want to upload, and drag them directly into the designated upload area within Basecamp. It's a straightforward and efficient method that saves time by eliminating some of the clicks involved in traditional upload processes. Once your files are uploaded, it's a good practice to double-check the upload area in Basecamp to confirm that everything has been added correctly. You want to ensure that the files you intended to transfer are now visible in the designated project area. This step is crucial for maintaining organization and ensuring that all team members can access the necessary documents. And there you have it. A simple, yet thorough way to upload your files to a project in Basecamp. By following these straightforward steps, you can keep your projects organized and ensure that all vital documents are readily accessible to your team. Remember, whether you prefer to click through the options or use the intuitive drag and drop, the key is to choose the method that's most convenient for you. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide makes your project management experience smoother and more efficient.